Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You must have surely figured out about what's the video's topic while looking at the thumbnail. The bright side of the oleander flowering plant is the beauty, and the dark side is the toxicity. Yes, it is a highly poisonous ornamental plant. In this video, I will tell you how to take care of your oleander plant after winter, like pruning, reporting, etc. And how do you grow a new plant from the old plant's cutting? Our plant's pot was already broken, and when my mom actually broke it, my mom saw huge amounts of ants, as you can see. Most of you want to know how do you get rid of ants from the potted soil. For that, you can simply go to our channel and watch that video. As you can see, my mom has taken sharp scissors and has started the pruning of oleander plant. Now most of you will think, is pruning necessary for oleander plant? Actually, pruning an oleander plant is done to serve to boost flowering and thicken the bush. It's okay to not prune all of it though. You can only prune 50% of the stem. If you have done cutting your branches, don't throw it, as with these branches my mom can make some new oleander plants for the garden. Right now my mom is getting rid of the old soil of this plant very safely and carefully so the roots don't get hurt. In most of our reporting videos, we have told that first you have to wash all the soil of the root, then put it in bioenzyme solution. While the plant is resting, let us see what to do with the branches. So my mom is choosing some special branches. She is selecting one stick with a lot of branches. Then she is cutting only leaves of it. Now the stems that she has selected, she is going to put those stems in a bioenzyme solution. Okay, now let's repot the plant. My mom has took a pot which has holes in the bottom. The pot is about 14 inches. My mom is making a composting bed in the bottom of the pot. The bed consists of 3 layers. First layer, the soil. Second, the kitchen waste. Third, the dry leaves. Next, my mom put the already prepared soil for the oleander plant in the pot. Before the final potting, my mom has also cut some unwanted roots from the plant, as you can see. For this soil, my mom has used 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. Oleander plant is a very low maintenance plant. You can get plenty of flowers if you just give enough sunlight, adequate water and monthly kitchen waste fertilizer. Oleander plant don't get insect attacked so often, but you can also get aphid attacks sometimes, and for that you can get a solution. You can just spray some bioenzyme on the parts of the plant where aphid has been attacked. In this video, you have been hearing Bioenzyme. What is bioenzyme? We have uploaded a lot of videos about what is bioenzyme. So if you are interested and you are new to our channel, you can watch that video. Now, at last, the stems that my mom had kept in the bioenzyme water, now we have to repot those stems. For this soil, my mom has used 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. After putting all the stems into the soil like this and after watering, my mom took a clean plastic. And with that plastic bag, my mom covered all the stems. And then she simply kept it in a semi-shaded area. Hope you enjoyed this video. While handling oleander plant, remember that this is very toxic and poisonous. So take care of this plant carefully. Thank you for watching. Bye.